This week for maths homework, we're playing 2 games of squeeze with mum or dad or an older brother or sister. You'll need 5 6-sided dice, and if you don't have those at home, it might just be easier to go on this link. This link here, random.org, this is very, very close to your video that you're watching at the moment. The link to random.org is very, very close. So I think the homework videos are down here at the bottom, and random.org is there as well. So click on that, and we need 5 6-sided dice. So step number 1 in squeeze is to write down the largest number that can possibly be made with the 5 dice that you've got. So I just rolled a 6, a 5, a 5, and a 1, and I made 66,551. That goes on top of the page. You then roll the 5 dice again and write down the smallest number that can possibly be made. And I've just done that on the computer now. We take it in turns, rolling the dice and trying to squeeze each other out. So we want to be creating numbers that fit somewhere between 66,551 and 22,244. Each time we make a number, we write it on the slip of paper. So something that was in the 50,000s would be there, possibly. Something that's in the 65,000 would be a little bit higher. Something that was 24,000 would be quite low. And we keep taking it in turns until one of us can't fit our number in. Either it's too big, so it's greater than 66,000, or it's too small and it doesn't fit. Parents, can I suggest asking lots of questions about your child's numbers? So lots of questions about place value, digit value, and also we've done a little bit of expanded form. So you could ask, I'll show you what that is in a sec, but you could ask your child to write some of their numbers in expanded form. So place value, some really good questions would be things like, what's the place value of this 2 in the number 22,244? And the answer would be, it's in the thousands column. Or what's the place value of this 4? And it's in the tens column. Or it's in the ones column. Or it's in the tens of thousands. Or it's in the hundreds. So questions about place value. Digit value is a little bit different. Digit value is the worth. So what is that number worth? Not what place value it is, but for example, what is the 2 worth in the thousands column? It's worth 2,000. That 4 there is in the tens. It's 4 tens. So that number there is worth 40. That's its digit value. The digit value of that 6 is 6,000. The digit value of that 5 is 500. The digit value of the next 5 is 50. Expanded form is when we write excuse my messy presentation. Expanded form is when we write each part of a number and present it this way. So the original number was 66,551, and by doing it in expanded form, we show place value and digit value. We show that numbers are made up of 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, and we understand that each of those numbers has a digit value. So perhaps on another piece of paper, if you have time, we've also done expanded form. There are 2 strips of paper in your homework folder. So 2 games, please. 2 games. Thanks very much.